Let's see how to create a new course and import existing lessons into it using Zoho Learn. First, open Zoho Learn. Next, click the Add icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Create Course, then enter the course name and a brief description about the course. Click Create. Now, to add lessons, click the down arrow next to the Lesson option. Choose Import Lesson. From here, select one or more lessons from the list of published courses. Finally, click Import. That's it. Your new course is ready with imported lessons. Why this is used? This feature is designed to save time and maintain consistency when creating courses. Instead of recreating content from scratch, you can reuse existing lessons from other courses. This is especially useful for standardized training programs across departments, updating courses quickly without duplicating effort, maintaining quality and accuracy by using pre-approved lessons. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.